Hello everybody, today I'm going to show you how I made this geode style heart. So I've mixed up some Artworks resin and separated it into cups and added the pigments of the colors I wanted to use. I'll be mentioning those at the end of this video. For this technique I'm going to be using a dustpan and I'm going to be pouring my resin in layers. I'm basically just alternating the colors in the dustpan until I think that I have enough resin to cover the whole piece. Don't forget to wear gloves and a mask whenever you work with epoxy resin. Now I'm just going to go ahead and pour the resin out on top of the heart. As you can see, I just slowly pull the dustpan towards me until it gets to the edge of the wood. In the center area, I'm just going to add some purple glitter. Now I'm just going to add a couple extra colors on top. And now I'm going to be adding a handful of amethyst stones right in the center. Now I'm just going to add some of this silver glitter glue. I also took a white Posca pen and made some lines on it, and then took some silver paint and painted the edges. And that's it. Hope you liked my tutorial. These are the colors that I used in this project.